My name is Art Ammerlaan. I present to you the cast new introductions of 2018. Here we see the first item, where you see a combination of what we do. Compact plants suitable for home decoration and edible. So you can pick your meal from this nice combination. Here we start with the first plant, which has all the nice items in it. It's heartbreaker tomatoes, heart-shaped tomatoes on a compact plant, and enough to make a good impression for your customer. They're very visible and very easy to harvest and very delicious to eat. We have our sweet sturdy, which is a honey tomato on a compact plant. In this line, we have now a new introduction, which is a yellow one. So a delicious honey yellow tomato on a compact plant like this. This is a new allotment to our series. You can see, you can sell it young, as over here, and you can sell it as a ripened plant, which you see next to it. This one takes about 12 weeks to grow like this. This one takes about 18 weeks. But the first fruits start to ripen when they're 16 weeks old from seed. So a very fast crop. This is our new introduction, Mamba Red. Mamba Red is a pepper, a mild spicy pepper, with black fruits when they are in juvenile stage and red fruits when they are ripened. The advantage is that they grow very easy, with temperatures comparable to bedding plants and tomatoes. This is our new cauliflower, baby cauliflower, 9 weeks from seed. Very easy to grow, very compact, and a real eye catcher for the consumer. And this is the last new introduction we have, which is the pillar tomato, Catch Red, which is full with red fruits on the plant, which delivers a very high attractive plant for your consumer.